If you're seeing x.com or Twitter error code 7, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step on your PC. This error is usually caused by a login or authentication issue, and it can happen because of outdated cookies, a browser extension conflict, a VPN or proxy, or even a temporary account lockout after too many login attempts. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it without needing any advanced tools. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Now let's get into the fix. First, open your browser and try logging in using a private or incognito window. This is one of the fastest ways to check whether the issue is being caused by your browser profile or one of your extensions. On Chrome or Edge, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Safari, you can press Command, Shift, and N. Once the private window opens, go to x.com and try signing in again. If it works here, that usually means something in your normal browser is interfering with the login process. In that case, the next step is to check for browser extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or any security extensions that might be stopping X from loading its authentication scripts correctly. If you have a lot of extensions installed, try disabling them one by one and testing the login again. Next, turn off any VPN, proxy, or custom DNS service you may be using. Can sometimes flag unusual IP activity, and if your connection is bouncing through another region or rotating IP address, that can trigger error code 7. So pause the VPN, disconnect the proxy, and try again on your normal internet connection. If that still doesn't fix it, the next thing to do is clear the specific cookies and cached site data for sheet. This is important because corrupted or outdated cookies can break the login handshake and keep the error coming back. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, open settings, then go to privacy and security, and then cookies and other site data. From there, open the page that lets you see all site data and permissions. In the search box, type twitter.com and x.com, then delete the site data for both. After that, refresh the browser and try logging in again. If the issue still appears, the last step is to consider whether your account has been temporarily locked. This can happen if you entered the wrong password too many times, failed a captcha repeatedly, or made too many login attempts in a short period of time. In that case, the best fix is often just to wait. Give it at least 24 to 72 hours and avoid repeated login attempts during that time because more attempts can make the lockout last longer. Once the waiting period is over, try again from a clean browser session with no VPN and no interfering extensions. So to quickly recap, the best way to fix X or Twitter error code 7 is to test incognito mode, disable VPNs and proxies, clear your X cookies, and wait out any temporary lockout if needed. If this tutorial solved the problem for you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.